Welcome to our math journey. I'm Nikola. In this series, we'll explore the fascinating world of mathematics one concept at a time. Math isn't just numbers on a page. It's the language of the universe. It shapes the technology we use, the buildings we live in, and even the way we make decisions. Ever wondered how architects design skyscrapers? How do engineers build safe bridges? Or even how video game developers create realistic worlds? It all starts with math. In this course, we'll break down key math concepts step by step. From geometry and algebra to real-world problem solving, we'll make math clear, simple, and even fun. So, whether you're here to sharpen your skills, prepare for exams, or see math in a new light, you're in the right place. Let's get started.